Hi again! To make this sparkling Suncatcher, you'll need thermocol or styrofoam balls, cut mirror pieces, acrylic paint, craft wire, glue, paintbrush. First, let's make a hook with the craft wire by bending it. If you already have a hook, then please use the same. With the help of a cutting plier, I'm just gonna twist the ends and the hook is ready. Now, let's pierce it into the foam ball. To hold it in place, let's apply some glue into the hole and also on the wire and stick it inside. Apply some glue on the top as well and let it dry. Once dried, I applied 2 coats of white acrylic paint all over and let it dry. Once this dries, it's time to stick on the mirrors. I've used circle ones. I started from the top, dab some glue on the back of the mirror and place it one by one next to each other. Let's continue the same onto the next rows by sticking the mirrors in between the spaces. This is how it's looking, so let's continue forward. What I also found easier is to actually dab the glue on the ball and place the mirror directly. This is how it looks once done. But there are few things that were bothering me. That is, if you see here, there are a couple of gaps. Like if it's hung, you wouldn't even notice the gaps. But I wanted to glue these small mirror pieces to cover it off. So for the other one, I tried something different. I applied glue and stuck the hook inside as shown earlier. And instead of white, I painted silver. Then I started applying the mirrors from the midsection and continued along the row. Likewise, I finished the top and the bottom section. With this pattern, I was left with one space to which I added small mirrors to finish it off. And here's how it looks, and I just love how it brightens and sparkles and reflects the light in and around the room. Hence, I'm planning to do a couple more so I can place it in other rooms as well. Hope you liked it and maybe try it. Until next time, bye!